I'm John Linedecker. I'm with Bridge of Angels Ministries. We minister to the homeless in Austin every Saturday morning at 10:30 underneath the bridge of 6th Street and I-35. We minister and we feed up to 150 to 450 homeless every Saturday. It starts at 10:30 in the morning and goes to about 1 o'clock. And we have somebody that gives a word, that preaches or gives their testimony, and they usually do an altar call there. And the power of God moves in a mighty way down there.
Squeeze it out.
We get anywhere between 10 and 25 salvations every Saturday, and it's wonderful. And God moves; you can feel His presence down there. If you have the heart to minister to the homeless and to feel the presence of God and to see God work and do mighty things, I invite you to come down to Bridge of Angels Ministry some Saturday and give it a try. And by the way, everything's Holy Spirit led. You could pray for anybody, you could serve food, you could pick up trash, or you could just watch. But we welcome everybody.